Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you two super easy ways to split data into multiple cells in Google Sheets. If you've ever had a list of names or addresses that are all jumbled together in one cell and you wish you could magically separate them, like putting first and last names into their own columns, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to tidy up your data in a snap, making your spreadsheets much more organized and way easier to work with. Let's dive right in. For our first method, we'll use Google Sheets' built-in split text to columns feature. It takes just a few clicks. Imagine we have a column called Sales Rep, and in each cell there's a full name, maybe like Samantha Lee. What we want is for Samantha to be in one cell and Lee in another. So here's what you'll do. First, find the column with the data you want to split. Right-click the column header where it says something like C at the top and choose Insert one column to the right. This step is important because when you split the names, you don't want the new data to overwrite anything else in your sheet. Give your computer a moment. Google Sheets will pop in a fresh, empty column right where you need it. Next, select all the cells in your original Sales Rep column that you want to split apart. Then go up to the menu at the very top and click on Data. In the drop-down menu, you'll spot an option called Split Text to Columns. When you click this, all your selected cells will now show a new drop-down just below the menu bar that asks you to choose a separator. Right now, our example has first and last names separated by a space, so click on that menu and select Space. And just like magic, you'll see the first names and last names instantly peel apart into their own columns. It's a bit like opening a letter and having everything neatly unfold, satisfying, right? If your data happens to use commas, semicolons, or something else to split information, just pick the right separator from that menu. Depending on how much data you have, this might take a few seconds, but the end result is so worth it. Now let's look at an alternative method, using a formula. Maybe you prefer a little more flexibility or want to automate the splitting for new data entries. The formula we'll use is called split, so click into a cell where you want your split information to appear, say, just to the right of the original data. Type equals split C2, assuming C2 is where your combined name lives. The word space inside those quotation marks tells Google Sheets to break up the text wherever it finds a space. Hit enter, and you'll see the name instantly split right across two separate cells. Here's one thing to watch out for. If there's already something in the cell next to your formula, you might get an error message. Don't panic, this just means Google Sheets doesn't want to overwrite existing data. To fix it, select the column you're working in, right-click again, and insert one column to the right. Once you've made room, the formula will work perfectly and your data will split without a hitch. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you use the menu option or the equation, you'll have your jumbled data sorted out and easy to manage. I hope this tutorial helps you breeze through your spreadsheets. If you found this video useful, remember to give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more tips like this. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.